So, if we look at the world today, what is actually wrong with the world? Whatever actually has been wrong with the world? What's the root cause of all these problems and anything that could be classified as evil within the human experience, human history, and overall at large? It's very simply illegal activity being practiced by humans and a deviation from the law. So the root cause of every problem that the world has and ever had and actually ever will have is very simply nothing other than deviation from the law. So we have to correct our course as humanity, as human beings, regardless of race, religion, creed, or national origin. Whether you're from the north, the south, or the east, or the west, every human being everywhere has certain inalienable human rights and responsibilities. And there is a document from the United Nations called the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. And all of you should know your human rights and responsibilities and basically live them and benefit from them and follow the law. Learn the law to do the law. Use wisdom in that process, and it will all work perfectly. We can actually fix the world. We can bring this world into a state of perfection as far as it is actually possible, and that it will actually ever even be by simply establishing a rule of international morality with the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, the UDHR, as a world constitution. And at that point, we have to uphold, maintain, and defend the world constitution and keep the world in a state of legitimacy and law and order fullness, right? Lawfulness. At that point, we will actually have managed to perfect the world as far as it is possible and bring this world as close to being a perfect world as it actually could ever be. Because there's no other document, no other sort of a couple of pages of information anywhere that so universally and perfectly caters to the basic needs of humanity, such as a UDHR.